What's up my people, big up on yourself. If you don't know, got another video from the Maroon Emperor, the 7-star General L.A. Lewis, and today L.A. Lewis visit the Samsung store people in H.W.T. So you don't know a lot of things. You see people, you don't want Mr. One here. Fridge, stove, phones and everything are sure. So people, bless up. Peace.
Servo L.A. Lewis, the social network god. I'm the biggest thing ever on social network. And anybody who says a lie, try prove it. Google it and you'll find out. Alright people, so big up on yourself. So you don't know, say I'm there to the people and just say me come a Samsung. You know the Emperor. So you know the new Samsung Galaxy 4 them, the LXP them. So a lot of people say they promote it and say, yo Emperor, no phone the name so. But I have the phone. I don't know why people not like to believe certain things, pay haters, see that people. But me try to get a screen cause almost $2,000 US for them and the people. By the time I have to come out here, the tax we have to pay for it and duty, I almost put it almost 400,000 people for just a phone. So I better just fly come down and buy it from the dealer. You understand? So see the people, so over there with the Samsung store. So forget the Samsung phone people, let's come to the Samsung store people. Now we're better than the original dealer people. You understand? So and when they come to the Samsung store people, they see the people, royal treatment, Samsung store, the security them open door for your people. But go on, Siki.
7-star.
Seven. So I was just telling the people about the new Samsung Fold LXP them. What's the latest on the market?
And the best.
And the best. Yeah, so a lot of people that say, Emperor, why you not buy overseas? I may say, why would I go overseas go and buy any Samsung when the other Samsung dealer is in H.W.T? Would you agree?
Yeah, I agree.
Alright, so where you going now? Before we reach the four of them now, we understand that Samsung now just go phone alone. We go all kind of things. So you want to give it a rundown or you want somebody else to come give it? Or you know the price of it?
I mean, running now.
See people, even the security, them super smart. I tell it as Samsung people that run for the store. Come here, boss.
So,
yeah.
we have the 32 inches. We have the 43 inches in a TV.
Yeah.
30.
What going on there? The one that going to go up on one of the
This is the
Maroon.
one I know.
Yeah, I like it.
You have to buy that one now.
Yeah.
Because the one here,
Yeah.
the one that rotates. So
Rotate.
the one there, when it
Look at the touch screen together.
why? You can't touch it if you want.
Alright. Where's it? You can transfer with that touch? People, me tell about Samsung people that put it, you know. So the Maroon ads them now, we can put this on the wall and just yeah. People, me tell about Samsung.
Let them see this.
No sir, no more than one.
So on a cash,
Yeah.
I want to 7-star.
You wrote it again, because this comes back some James Bond thing.
7-star. 7.
No, this comes back some James Bond thing, people. People.
So vertical, horizontal.
And horizontal.
Yeah.
People, me telling you know. The island though shorter, not no. They're going to take the island shorter and raise up here for the people. But when we go in a power, everybody have to get a raise up here. Same day. You see how I stop teaching them thing? Anyway, do it again, because I like what you say. Come here, how much are
So this is only 250,000, but your price different.
people? It's a low price. When you hear 250,000 in Jamaica, it's not no money. Translate it back in a pound, I translate it in a US, and then it's about $1,000. I don't know enough money, people. I like that.
You know, it's like 1,000.
In the future, $1,000 US people. People, I like it. You know, so I go out.
Watch out, make them see go back vertical.
Yeah, vertical.
Vertical.
Watch it, people. Come down to Samsung, people. I tell you, don't run for the thing, people. America got nothing over with. Canada got nothing over with.
I prettiest TV this in the world.
Yeah.
That TV you have to put the soundbar to it because the speaker this alone.
Flat.
This a speaker you can't watch.
And people look, what I know?
Drive. You can't drive, you know. Come on, them see.
Not even the drive it, may look, it's flat.
You can't drive? Yeah, drive. You have to lift up this. You could have this and lift up it.
Yeah, what's it?
So why they don't do that though?
So you can't, when you want to move from room to room, just drive it.
Yeah, like one of them things that like a, yeah, it have wheel on it.
Oh, wheel, huh?
Paper TV with wheel on it and a ramp on it. What would Samsung think of next? And people, well, I know, when you go behind the people, I believe some big heavy something of paper, it's flat. Thin,
Mommy.
sheet of paper, flat.
It's like when it's spending.
And then this can come off and just put it on the wall by itself. People don't ramp with Samsung, you know. So people, yeah, give me a run now, because we soon come to the LX for the four of them, the LX for them.
Yeah, so 32 inches for the wall this one.
Yeah.
Then 43.
No, me stop at the 43. I know I'm not like, no look at TV. You understand?
So we start from 43.
Yeah.
We have 50,
Yeah.
55,
And
60,
this is what though? 80?
85.
Alright, I just buy a 85. No, I 80 my wife and my mother. I think I 80 my wife and my mother one year. You understand?
Yeah, 80 man, this is
Yeah.
85.
Oh, I mean, I know any man. I vex them never come in as a first. I what the price?
So this is, this, yeah, we know you're going to buy it more. This is 365,000.
Almost 400,000 buy one for.
Yeah, me know.
So see people, Samsung have it cheaper people. Samsung have it one cheaper. Give them the address, let them know what they.
This is the Samsung store, Tropical Plaza, the only Samsung store in Jamaica.
So this is the Ed Samsung store.
The only
Only Samsung store people.
in Jamaica.
In Jamaica.
Yeah.
So here say get the latest and the greatest and the best. None of after there. Alright, so I could go to the phones now, because the people that know Samsung step up in the people. Alright, so no phone no beat Samsung right now, people. No phone on the planet. Yeah. Alright, so tell about them phone now.
So you see, this is the Z Fold 4.
Yeah.
You don't have to open it to use it.
Yeah.
So a man like you know, the only reason why you want to open this is when the bank can borrow money from you.
Yeah.
So for instance, NCB call you and borrow money from you now.
Yeah.
You have to open it because you want to talk to the bank manager here.
Yeah.
So you talk to NCB manager here.
Yeah.
You look for money for lend them so.
Yeah.
But you still have to watch your property, you know, because you know,
Yeah.
you know one.
So 4 in a one screen. See that people, look at people and I joke to you, see that people see that.
Make them see.
Let them see it.
You see it there? You can lock up like a book. Open back. You talk to your bank manager. You may talk to.
Yeah.
Because anybody can any bank.
Yeah.
So you talk to your bank manager, yeah, so.
Yeah.
You look for money for lend them. And you still World Cup, see that match we are watching.
I'm going to watch match over here, sir.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, I'm show them the other one them now.
So this is a 4. You have a flip.
I have a flip.
Yeah. So this is a flip. But I females them love that one, yeah.
Yeah, the females them
So you
like
can buy
that.
that one.
For boss lady.
Yeah, you have to buy that one.
Say there's a 7 of them if I go buy it. Because you know, 7 wife. Yeah.
So you have to buy that one.
Yeah.
You can answer and so on.
From Douglas.
Yes, what I know, what do you see Tuesday morning?
Yeah.
Them say a man did up on the transport.
Yeah, that's our fire station. You
Thank you. And what you know, nobody could not catch him because they never have this.
Yeah.
So I be people that say, I want there for Harry, that I want there for Dick.
Yeah.
And them one know who, and
Yeah.
can't know who. But I'm going to the
lens.
Yeah, because them phone, nobody don't have them phone. Apple
Yeah.
can't do what this do.
No.
So I just go to mama and come take this on the bar. So I zoom him up and see how.
Yeah. Oh, you been zooming up now.
Alright, so yeah, my bar.
Several, all of you.
So this can do a 100x zoom.
Yeah.
100x. Thunder side, it's a 1 and 2 hour.
Yeah.
1 and 2 hour.
Yeah.
What's a bam? 200 exits.
Yeah. Yeah.
The person, them.
And that's a way up in the store.
Yeah, man, that's a Pablo's, man. Million miles away, regard.
Yeah.
Million, see there? See there? You know, far that.
I will not half yet.
We're not half yet. See there, 88, that's out of 200.
Yeah.
See all the girl there? Look down yourself.
I will see her clear. No, I can't see her with my
You
eye.
can't see her with the eye. So this now,
Yeah.
I want them use and picky brother from half of the
For the transport center.
place, nobody couldn't know how.
From way up here, sir.
And a man goes up and come up and say, no man, I hurry that man. Him do it already, man. Money,
Yeah.
suspension in the pan and railway.
Yeah.
So this now, this is the only phone in the world can do that.
Yeah.
See, you have one of this already, huh?
Yeah, me have one other one there.
Come and see you with one.
Alright.
Yeah.
So people, but the richest phone on the planet now, people. Alright, we done it. Yo, I'll tell you some people, but there's a Samsung people. Maybe I'll go eat up grape here, man. Samsung store people, alright? This is where the VIP come shop.
This a fridge of TV. So, you go to mama in the kitchen and cook, you can watch your TV,
Yeah.
you can do your vlog in the same way.
Yeah.
Because this is the TV. The one you know, when you're there, so, you just go to mama and look on your phone and they tell you, say, yo, you know, so, you know, so, in the fridge. What? Yes, come on, show you.
People, I forgot order the one.
See camera, this a camera tell everything we're in there. So you see your energy, and you say, you know, you never back like energy last time. My virgin didn't come check, I don't know if you drink it, you know.
Yeah.
And you go so you look on your phone and you say, boom, you see my fridge want too energy. And you work, you do that, you know.
Yeah.
Come and see. You see this now?
Smart stove now, people. Smart
stove.
cooking. So people, the stove them get smart, and the TV them get smart. Why on and the fridge them get smart? Why on can't get smart? I come buy something down here. You just say on alone and get smart. Oh for Jesus.
Sweeter. So you see the one you know? Deep fries.
Yeah.
So you see this, you know, you say you go to farm and season up your chicken.
Yeah.
You throw them in this, you fry them without oil.
Fry them without time.
You just put in this, I call it deep fries. Just throw them in this and then fry.
Yeah.
And a baking of
Fry.
deep fries without
People,
oil.
stove on the deep fry, I'm telling you.
What you know now? That stove you know, you can put in a chicken and go and work. And when you're ready to go home, you just set it for cook.
Yeah.
So you know, so for instance, you work 9 to 5.
Yeah.
And you go work 9 o'clock. When you touch 3 o'clock, you can say, nothing, I'm going to set my thing and it cook and lock off itself.
So you can say, are you work and set it?
Yeah, the electric stove. See,
People,
look
telling
at
you.
that. Wi-Fi, everything.
Wi-Fi stove.
Wi-Fi, everything, daddy. So you just stay at work and set it, and you know, say you get an hour for cook. So when you reach home, your food just done cook.
People.
And you don't know any.
No, all of the man about some woman will love go like them take off hear that. What are that stove here? When I need a woman over yard. So all of the woman that wanna treat the man them good. We have the stove them for running out of the house now, and we have the fridge them for running out of the house. The stove them are cooked by themselves. So all the woman them tell us treat the man them better, you know. Well, I'm gonna ask the price at what price now?
So this is only $270,000, inclusive of tax.
People. I told them buy 3 of my beer mother over $1 million of things, and them still give me a problem.
So the one here,
So,
the one here nearly 500,000. The one here near 500,000.
with TV night. TV in the fridge.
So in the kitchen. And
Surveillance camera in the fridge. I can't say from my yard I watch right in my fridge. People, I can't watch who are going in my fridge, and I can't watch when them reach in my fridge, and the fridge will tell me when NSC and all kind of liquor needed people. Samson people don't run for them.
freezer there.
Oh, me have one other one. You know?
You have one of this?
Yeah, but me have another one.
You have to come for one of this. There.
Yeah.
So this now have 3 doors. And this everybody had over before.
Yeah, me have one of this. I have 500,000 money pay for it. How much them there now? Said price.
It drop.
Them drop now.
Yeah.
How much of them
Through
now?
this coming.
Yeah.
So this a cheer.
See people.
Through this coming, it drop.
Yeah, because when them just come at 500 for them. Them drop now. See people. So, alright, so we'll go back now to the phone them now people. So, people see the phone right now, so people see they never bought the phone.
The TV are 110 inch. The TV here,
110 inch.
4 TV combined
In a one.
together. 4 TV merged together.
It's a cinema now. Cinema
And
test.
make one.
Yeah.
So this is 100 inch. But we still have them for sale.
Alright, the LX them now. You have some before it.
Oh, so
What smaller price? Cause you know.
no, guys, so guess what? We have come from 1.
Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3, and you have a 4.
I have the 4, and this is the latest in the
The
world.
latest and
Alright,
and
so see it?
best. Anything for beat it must be a Samsung.
Yeah, so the other Samsung drop it people. You can watch 4 TV on this one them people.
14.
You can have 4 different movements on this one people. You can watch YouTube. You can have a video party while you watch YouTube. And you send off bank account 4 different screens of people.
And the good thing again, it has a pen. So it come with a stylus. So when you
Oh
done-
yeah, me not get the pen.
Hold on, the more I show them how they use the pen. Come on.
Yeah, me not get the pen now. Me not get the pen. I want them, I want the pen.
You don't get the pen?
No, I'm gonna get the pen with it.
And you know what? So this
What the price of the pen now?
No, the case of the pen you can get for another about 19,000.
Yeah.
So when you're done, see it, when you're done, man, them see you.
Yeah.
You go to Bama, you're done the way you do, you done lend the bank your money. Because you a man love lend bank money.
Yeah.
So when you don't lend the bank money, you just go to bank.
Yeah.
And you just sign a contract.
Boom.
Argument done.
People, but
This year, but this is what you have, you know.
Yeah.
Make sure you use it up, you know.
you know, so I'm not using the part of the
I waste some money, then you can buy phones and you can use it up, daddy.
Oh, Jesus,
You
people.
run for the money,
So,
daddy, man.
and let them know what price we're having for today now.
So today is only $360,000.
360,000 Jamaican dollars.
Just that alone.
But you know people. Me know the further some boy better go foreign go buy it. But people, if you go overseas and buy it now, people, by the time if you come to custom and everything with it, and custom fling on half of the price, because you know Andrew Wallace here, he want money off of everything. You understand? So people, about $400,000, so better you come a Samsung come buy it.
Yeah, and spend $360 and get a case.
Yeah. But the pen, boy, I don't know. I can't get the pen by myself.
You know, but I'm not a pen.
Around the pen.
Yeah. But
You know, some me and one different to the so. As a pen drop, we just wear a card as an emperor. Yeah, see the pen.
Because the pen forward.
Alright, you want me to search it now?
Before we call him, we have put on here when I sign.
Alright. You more now, feet. More that one of the protective screen there.
Oh, you see, guess what? Samsung will make them use.
That mirror said.
Yeah, Samsung I said, yo, our glass, a Gorilla Glass, and them a try protect them screen. Because I see Samsung.
Yeah, because you know, so about 3 times I drop it and nothing.
Guess what Samsung do?
Gorilla Glass. Tell them what kind of glass?
Samsung say a Gorilla Glass, so they not really make it screen. And guess what them a do? Elegancy. So they want to show off them phone. Samsung, no want you have nothing, no bulky case and so on. And they want when a man see them say, Samsung the pretty.
Yeah.
And run come buy one. So them the elegancy.
Servo. So the boss have to do that. Are we about to watch live? You want to watch it? Pay for the boss, just wait and the boss at the servo. They watch you. Yeah. Up front. Servo. Yeah, man.
Let me have a very life,
And the boss, some of the dear 40 people around the boss shouting up. People tell about Samsung, and pay famous people come shop here. And this, but we got St. Martin, we got Curacao the other day, we got Cayman, but we don't see the most Samsung store there about.
God, you know, say, everywhere you can find a Samsung.
Yeah, see that, a rich.
Samsung store, and everywhere you can. You know why Samsung store in Jamaica? Because it's 7-star in Jamaica.
Oh, tell them again. I went to their launch, we come launch with you, rich media, you know.
Alright.
And we are rich media, we come launch with people. Yeah. So people, so see it here, so the new Samsung 4 people, see it here.
You show them. Because them want you show them.
I open to people, see it here. And 4 different screens. Well, guess what? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. The 4 screen and a 2 enough. You have to set it for me.
Oh, you have to set it for me.
Yeah, set it for me. Yeah, set it for me. Yeah.
A two come out, the show.
Yeah, man. Me don't know to set it. Because I might go pick them know to set it. But me don't know to set it. I go tell them.
You're going on. You're going on some more.
Yeah.
You're going on some more.
So what?
PS and all of that.
So what take? Who can do that?
Me could have do it, but guess what?
The time.
You know, want do not like that, no, on the job.
Yeah, all right.
So, them professional there.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that.
Because I remember say you're a professional and
Yeah.
a professional to lead the deal.
Yeah.
Me just a try.
Yeah, because you know I go to the bank account and something go wrong and you say, yo, sick it. So people, come down and offer $3 now, people.
Right.
So see it and give them the address for the store.
Oh, so a Tropical Plaza, you know.
Tropical Plaza.
Once you come on Tropical Plaza, the first thing you see is Samsung.
Samsung.
Yeah.
So just ask for the Samsung store, people.
No, they don't have to ask.
You just see it, the big store. See that?
Yeah.
Right at Tropical Plaza, people. Say, all of the man them who know really garden yard, the sewer go on them yard. Come down to Samsung, we have the phone them who zoom all 100-mile people. So we don't miss binoculars again, people. And then the new Samsung 4 Fold people and the LXM people. Because are the baddest thing upon the planet, people, and promoted by the emperor. You understand? So we say, people, you can't lose off on an investment here. And the price is very nice. People. I just 300,000 for them
Just
people.
that alone.
Just that alone. Not even $1 over people.
If nobody tell them more than cost security.
Alright. So people, Samsung people are the #1 store people. So see it there. And that Ethiopia people, more one of them for up on the new office where we open in Chilani. So we work on a new officer Trelawney. So we got the maroon people, the maroon documents people. So if you want the maroon documents, just call 7734594. So we have the smart TV people, the one and all people. Definitely, I'm gonna need this. Yes, I mean, they carry that with my people. Yes, son. The fridge, I don't know about fridge yet, because I don't really have no way for put the fridge people. Because I already buy one of the other model people, but the Samsung bring out the one where we work with now people with the TV and people more watch me and see them in the people. Trust me. So that Samsung TV fridge of people, I need it.
Show them like the TV are pretty.
Yeah.
Show them where
People, see how the TV is pretty, yeah? Look at people. Come at the picture of them and jump out for you the people. Watch it. No, sir. Jesus Christ, the TV are nice.
they're nice.
Yeah, man, look at the people. No, sir. And it's flat, you know, people. It can go for your wall, you know, and it's a turn for your wall, you know.
Yeah, man. Horizontal, vertical, any way you want.
Vertical, horizontal people, and a 3D TV, the people. Fully 3D, the people.
QLED.
QLED. So, people, and you don't need no tempered glass with these people because it make out a thing called Gorilla Glass. So even if it drop people, it good. So come down to Samsung people, the emperor there. I know say anywhere the Maroon Emperor support people, it's fully endorsed. So Samsung people, the best. So and you don't have to really go overseas people because when they check out the price, we go pay for the things from overseas people. When you come to custom people and the customer gonna lick you with the price people, better just come to Tropical Plaza people and tell them, so, yo, the Maroon Emperor send you. So you don't get a special discount. Yes, and so also if you have the Maroon documents people, the Maroon ID, special discount. So see the people, Gorilla Glass people. And you see the fold people, you can't even really see the fold in it to the people. See that? The fold almost invisible. So it's like a tablet and a phone in one people, but better than that, front and back phone people, front and back, and you fold over. So you know more time you're in the car and you want to do something with phone to fat people. Samsung make it easier now people, just one hand grip. See that so you can go ahead to grip them. And in the car. And I do everything people. So if the phone never get smart, Samsung have smart TV, Samsung have smart microwave. Oh, no phone is not smart. So if you're smart, you come on Samsung right now, people come do some shopping. And they said the people, and the Maroon Emperor, and they said there. So people, log on. What the phone number?
Maroon Emperor.
Yeah, give me a let's call out the phone number, man. Let's call out the man, my people here, man.
754.
Savo! What are they repeat again?
754 6370.
See people, Savo! Everything I'm starting to serve people. From the numbers I was serve people, you know, say, God, I serve to serve people. So, come down people, I serve to serve now people. Yeah, see the people, it's a God bless you. I'll rain and fall when the emperor fall with people. Don't worry, put it up. My own government, nothing else makes sense. Samsung store and more people. So, come down for the latest full LX people, them bad. When I say bad, I mean Bin Laden bad. Nothing Michael Jackson bad. Real bad. So, check it. That one there, you know the emperor go on. I wonder about the fridge now. I see people have VIP. You get when they're coming out. Secret just open door and the beautiful brownie and just come to one bag of thing. I see the people, I'll watch them to the people.
But you never tell them about it.
I never tell them to watch it. Give me a run up and watch it now.
So this one now is only from 55 to 50.
Yeah.
From 65 to 55.
Yeah.
And this stands alone, 84,000.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So give them a feature span to watch them.
So, you see them now? If you give them a feature span, then it would take me all day. We soon laugh, but I give them.
So James Bond watch.
Yeah. So with them now, you don't have to touch your phone.
Yeah.
Once you have this, you answer everything, send back a call them, test all your blood pressure, test on your heart racing and all of that. You see what I say? Yeah, and you get a case with them, and you get a charge and everything.
Yeah.
So basically, at them I run things. If you don't have none of them here, you don't have on a watch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Digital.
If you don't have on this, you don't have on a watch.
Digital.
So if you know this, you put on, don't put on no.
Digital.
Yeah. And but you know, the good thing about it, after you buy it, so you can customize it and turn it in what you want to turn it in.
Yeah.
So you can go to and get a full case and full banana and look different.
Yeah.
But I still eat.
what will Samson think of next to him? So, people, so get back to it because what I'm going to do now, you know, I'm going to talk and negotiate some price. You know, the Empire already, people. So, the falling TV, the people can go away and it have to come with me. But me don't want to know my price, people. So, people just come to Tropical Plaza, people. A Samson. So, when you say Samson, we are the strongest on the planet. See the people, the latest Samsung Fold LX people, them bad, being like the bad. Not normal.